So let's see how we can install the Android Studio. Go to Google and write Android Studio download. Go to developer.android.com. From here we can download the latest version of Android Studio. I have already downloaded the latest version. I will simply go to downloads and install this. So it takes a few seconds in installing. Next. So let's wait a few seconds. After installing, it will run the Android Studio automatically. So it is asking me that start Android Studio or not, so I'm checking it. Finish. So this is the latest version of Android Studio, Bumblebee 2021.1. So this is the interface of Android Studio when we install it first time. So let's go to new project. So these are different kind of activities we can use to build different kind of apps. We'll be exploring these activities further in the course, but for now let's just go to empty activity and then click next. So here we write the application name. So let's just write test app, and here this is the domain name. It must be unique. The package name and this is the domain name before the name of our application, test app, and com.thug codes is the domain name. Domain name means the company which we belong to, and it can either be some website or something else. Well, it must be unique. So this is the folder where our app is gonna store, and this is the language choice. For this course we'll be using Java. So minimum SDK or minimum API level. So it means that what device we must have to run the Android application. So these are the different Android API levels. Minimum the API level, more the number of devices we will have to run the application. So I have chosen the Android 5.0. Here we can see that the app will run on approximately 98% of devices. So if I choose some lesser, let's see 4.3, so now it is saying that 99.5%, and let's just choose 4.1. so here we can see that app will run on approximately 100% devices. So I will be choosing 5.0 for now and just click the finish. So this is the Android Studio. It will first load some files. So after loading the files, it will show some the panel here, and here we can see the different options. So in the next lecture we will see each and every component of this Android Studio.